Hi, Amazon sent us these beautiful Asian saucer dishes. They are from the company Unicasa. Microwave, oven, dishwasher, and freezer safe. They're kind of rougher on the bottom, which I really like. And they're each glazed. These can be used for a number of different things. We actually ordered them for chicken wings because we only had the 3-inch dishes to dip, to put our sauces in. And these are 5-inch, and it would be much easier to dip your chicken wings in there. But like I said, you can use it for a variety of different ways. They're just gorgeous. They came very well packaged. I like them. I think you might too. Thanks for watching.